Welcome back to our Makeover series. Today we're tackling a crucial first impression, the front door.
This gorgeous Mountain Brook home has great bones, but its overgrown, tangled, thorny, arched smilax arbor was hiding a beautiful, welcoming double front door entranceway. For over 20 years, a huge smilax vine had taken over this front door, covering beautiful details and creating a less than welcoming vibe. We're talking thick, woody vines and thorns everywhere. A true southern potato root situation.
Luckily, the homeowner was ready to say goodbye to the thorns and hello to a fresh start. Removing this monster was a huge undertaking, but it was worth it to reveal the stunning details underneath.
A deep clean with a soft pressure wash was next to wash away years of dirt and grime, restoring the beautiful brick to its original color.
Out with the thorny arbor and in with a front door that now says welcome. This isn't just a simple curb appeal upgrade. This is a transformation that changes the entire feel of the home. This is Seymour West with Keller Williams Realty here in the Birmingham metro area. We appreciate you watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, hit the buzzer, so you'll be kept in the loop on all things real estate-wise here in Birmingham. Thanks.